This is a lesson on the French verb aller, which means to go. In this lesson, we are going to focus on using the verb aller in the present tense, as well as using it as a power verb. Now, what do I mean by power verb? I call aller a power verb because it gives you the power to start speaking French right away, both in the present tense and in the near future. Now's a good time to click on the link in the video description below if you want to head over to my blog and find 32 expressions that you will be able to use once you have learned to use this verb aller in the present tense and as a power verb. Let's get right to the present tense conjugation. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Now, if you're a beginner, a lot of this you just see words and you don't know what it means. So let's go through each of these and look at them a little more closely. Je vais. This is the present tense conjugation that means I go. Now, keep in mind, when we say je vais to an English speaker, this can mean three things. It means I go, I am going, and I do go. So maybe you've learned the verb être, which means to be, and you learned that I am is je suis. Well, in order to say I am going, you don't need the suis, you just say je vais, okay? And I do go. If someone asks you, well, why don't you ever go to the park? I do go to the park. That's what I mean when I say it means I do go. Now, tu vas means you go, you are going, and it also means you do go. Remember that tu means you. It's a singular, informal way to say you. Il va means he goes, he is going, and he does go. Elle va, she goes, she is going, she does go. On va, we go, we are going, we do go. Now look at this. Nous allons also means we go, we are going, and we do go. So what's the difference? When we say on va, it's just a really informal way to say we go. On can also mean one. In general terms, one goes to the store when one wants to buy food. But most of the time, when you're using on in informal French, it means we. Now, if you've learned nous to mean we, and you're more comfortable with that, maybe the conjugations are a little bit easier, then you can say nous. There's absolutely no problem. Vous allez means you go, you are going, and you do go. Now remember that vous is a formal way to say you when it's singular. It's also the only plural way to say you. Ils vont means they go, they are going, they do go. And il means they when it's a masculine group, all masculine, or when it's a mixed group. Elles vont means they go, they are going, they do go, but you can only use elles to mean they when your group is completely feminine. Now let's talk about how to make this verb negative, and it's the same for all French verbs. In order to make a verb negative, you just have to put the words ne pas around the verb. Let me show you what I mean. Je ne vais pas. You see how I've just put the ne and the pas around vais. And all of a sudden, instead of saying I am going, I'm saying I am not going. Je ne vais pas, tu ne vas pas, il ne va pas, nous n'allons pas, vous n'allez pas, ils ne vont pas. Now I'm going to show you some examples using these verbs in sentences. Je vais au parc. Je vais au parc means I am going to the park. Je ne vais pas au parc. Je ne vais pas au parc means I am not going to the park. Tu vas en France. Tu vas en France. You are going to France. Tu ne vas pas en France. Tu ne vas pas en France. You are not going to France. Elle va aux États-Unis. Elle va aux États-Unis. She is going to the United States. Elle ne va pas aux États-Unis. Elle ne va pas aux États-Unis. She is not going to the United States. Nous allons chez une copine. Nous allons chez une copine. We are going to a friend's house. Nous n'allons pas chez une copine. Nous n'allons pas chez une copine. We are not going to a friend's house. Vous allez dans la salle de classe. Vous allez dans la salle de classe. You are going in the classroom. Vous n'allez pas dans la salle de classe. Vous n'allez pas dans la salle de classe. You are not going in the classroom. Ils vont au restaurant. Ils vont au restaurant. They are going to the restaurant. Ils ne vont pas au restaurant. Ils ne vont pas au restaurant. They are not going to the restaurant. Voilà. Now, the next thing I'm going to talk to you, as promised, is how to use aller as a power verb. Gives you the power to start speaking right away. All you have to do is use your subject, like je, for example, plus the verb aller. So for je, that would be what? Je vais, right? And then you have to follow it with an infinitive. Here's what I mean. Look at this. Je vais, right? I am going. And then you stick an infinitive on it. An infinitive like manger, for example. Well, manger means to eat. So quite literally, je vais manger une pizza means je vais, I am going, manger, to eat, a pizza. Pizza. Voila. So this is something that's really simple for English speakers to start putting together because it pretty much translates word for word, and that doesn't happen very often. One thing before I start showing you some examples using this power verb function of the verb aller, the word that I use is infinitive. Okay? So if that's a new word to you, the infinitive, what I mean by that is the verb in English that has the little word to in front of it. You see, to eat. That is the infinitive in English. In French, the infinitive is going to be only one word, manger. So sometimes people ask me, well, where's the word to? Well, you don't need it in French. Manger means to eat. Here's one using tu. Tu vas, you are going, chanter, to sing. Tu vas chanter une chanson. Tu vas chanter une chanson. You are going to sing a song. Il va, he is going, regarder, to watch. Il va regarder un film. He is going to watch a movie. Nous allons, we are going, parler, to speak. Nous allons parler français. Nous allons, we are going, parler, to speak, français, French. Vous allez, you are going, voyager, to travel. Vous allez voyager au Canada. Vous allez, you are going, voyager, to travel, au Canada, to Canada. And the last example, ils vont, they are going, travailler, to work. Ils vont travailler ce soir. Ils vont, they are going, travailler, to work, ce soir, this evening. So here is your present tense conjugation one more time. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont, And remember, all you have to do to make that verb negative is put ne and pas around the verb. So don't forget now to click on the link to go see the blog post that accompanies this lesson, and you can learn 32 expressions using ALLER, and I've even put a Quizlet study set there for you. Now's a good time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. If you want to learn more and more French every week, that's how often I put out videos. You see all of the different ways that you can connect with Love Learning Languages there on the screen, and all you have to do is follow the links that you have down there in the video description. Merci beaucoup et à très bientôt. Au revoir.